Good morning and welcome. Dilly Cube here. I'm in Australia and I'm currently going to do a gorgeous little ring pour on this lovely little chunky deep-sided canvas. So I was debating the ring pour, so I sort of turned it into a jiggle jiggle. Just what was loaded in that cup was some paint that I'd previously used on another piece I've been working on, and it's just white and phthalo blue with a couple of stirrers. So this is going to be my background for my little little masterpiece, let's hope.
Try my best to move on, to let go.
Now for the tilt around the canvas, it's a little bit darker than I'd hoped for, but it's absolutely gorgeous. That sort of jiggle jiggle or wiggle wiggle has created that lovely wave effect in there, and with those blues it actually looks gorgeous. If I could paint a little surfer in that barrel, I certainly would. My son could do it, but yeah, I'm going to push on with this, but it is absolutely gorgeous on its own as that jiggle pour. So just working it over the edges. But if I can't stretch it over the edges, don't be stressed out by it, because you can use the paint that's tilted off the canvas. So yes, I now have a plan for this. Like I said, it's absolutely beautiful just as it is. It's lovely, and these type of artworks definitely sell. But I just want to take it up a notch, and just because I love doing this technique. So I'm going to use some minimal colours. This was the previous one that I did on the same canvas, so I'm kind of doing a little bit of a series. I think I've got 4 of these little chunky canvases, so I'm going to do different colours on them. So that one dried beautiful, that was a ring pour, and I think I'm going to resin that other one. But yeah, I just love these actual minimalistic pours on those kind of like puddle pours on those backgrounds, and just that simple blowout of that one botanical effect. It's sort of really, really lovely, and it's a joy to do. So I've put a little bit of black there, and now this is the metallic copper, and I'm just puddling those colours on top of each other, and won't put too many. So this is the beautiful Montmartre pre-made gold, and I've just found it's been lovely just adding a bit of that in the pours with my other paints. The gold, once it's blown out, it seems to edge around the like leaf effects or the bloom effects. So it's been, and it's a really lovely sheeny shiny gold. So to top it off, to finish it before I blow, that is phthalo blue. And now I'll get my bendy end straw, which is a stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end, and blow it out. I love this bit. I really do love this bit. And those colours just work so well with that blue that I've already put on the canvas. Just beautiful. Hope you enjoy this, and on we go.
Stream the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me
whizzed over with the heat wand. It bursts any air bubbles in there and helps the paint start to dry into the canvas too. So what I want to do just with that little, it's just an ordinary size balloon filled with water, gives me a bit of extra weight, is just press it in the centre to get a kind of really nice perspective of depth in the centre of that blue. And then with my little skewer, do some little bits hanging out. It certainly makes it look like it's 3D floating there. That's what I found anyway. So absolutely love these little pours that I've been doing with those. Just the one little blown out bloom in the corner. They're very pretty, so hopefully I can get the other two done, the other canvases done, and have a little set of them. So yeah, just added a little bit of black in there to try and see. It sort of gives it depth in the centre, I believe. So yeah, very happy with that. Happy with the colours. And I'm going to bring you down after I've given this whiz round with the dryer. I'm going to bring you down, have a look. I am absolutely loving this. Look at those little cells that's popped up in there. That was the metallic bronze, and the blown flower is just beautiful on the, just in the corner there. I think that really looks lovely. I'm very happy with that. It's so easy to do once you've got the right paint consistency. So I'm hoping that dries beautifully like my other one I showed you. So my lovelies, thanks for joining me. I will be back tomorrow.
You'd believe in me, so painfully quiet and slow. Tell me, should I know that you believe in me, so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move